Hello everyone, my name is Vince. Today we are playing, without a doubt, one of the dumbest apps I think I've seen in my life. Here we go everyone, Cutie Garden. It's an app that is designed to trick players into thinking they're going to win real life money for merging animals together. This is the problem here everyone. I don't hate the app itself for the simplicity of it, okay? I hate the app for being a scam. Guys, this app is a legitimate carbon copy of Puppy Town. And now, Lucky Puppy. They're legitimately all the same app, okay? They all have the same concepts here. They all give you the ridiculous cash out to PayPal methods. They all trick you into thinking you're going to win real life money. And there's a prize center as well, with the exact same prizes as these apps do, like Puppy Town and Lucky Puppy. I can't believe it. I cannot handle this, dude. When is Google going to do something? If you guys have never heard of me before, what I do essentially is cover scam apps on my channel, okay? Now, I do not want to see apps like this anymore on the Play Store, but sadly, there is nothing that I can do, it seems, because every day there's a new app that just appears, okay? This app here has $150 cash out and $200 cash out. Now in your head you might think that's fine. All we need to do is get to $150. We already have $13, okay? But if you actually look carefully at the real life player reviews of this app, you'll find that people cannot get to $150 everyone, okay? What ends up happening is this app turns into an ad watching apocalypse, okay? Look how much money we're winning right now. Look at this claim. Dude, we're winning so much cash. We're already on $19. Who needs to get a job when you have this much cash, dude? Apparently I have a revenue share of almost $1 right now, dude. That's awesome. This is the exact same setup as Puppy Town and Lucky Puppy. I can't believe I'm witnessing this with my own eyes here, okay? You will never get your money from playing this app. If anyone out there has had success with this app, please show me the evidence. I need to see the evidence. And I want to see more than one person or 3 people's evidence. I need to see thousands of people's evidence, okay? Because the problem is here, over 1 million people have already downloaded this app. I'm pretty sure 5 million people have downloaded this app. And if you start actually reading the real life player reviews on this app, you're going to see there is a big problem with it. Cutie Garden is blatantly rigged. The whole thing is one big fix. One day, Google will do something about these apps that promise real life rewards. I pray every day, because every single day I get messages from real life people, you guys, the viewers out there, telling me, yes, I'm correct, you have been swindled, you have been scammed by apps like this. Literally, some of the reviews I read were so sad to me, dude. There was people saying that they played this game for months. They didn't even get to $150. They got near it, but they were never able to get to that point where the game rewarded them the money right to push them over the line over $150. Do you know how disappointing you'd be as a person? Could you imagine playing an app like this for months and not cashing out? Like, imagine if the game legitimately did not pay you guys. That's what's happening right now. That's the sad situation we are in with Cutie Garden. Oh man, I don't know how to process it properly in my brain. My brain is struggling here, okay? I'm trying to back away from this channel a bit now, guys, because it's getting to the point where it's getting a little bit too full on for me. It's getting a little bit too depressing, because ultimately what's happening is here, I'm playing and I'm wading through the swamp of Google Play, okay? Anyone that thinks they're going to make a channel covering scam apps because they want to get paid by YouTube or whatever, what they need to realize is that this is not really a fun job. If you're going to do this, you can't have a personality, because all we're doing is playing a game that wants you to become a literal robot. If you've noticed as well, the money is starting to deteriorate each time I actually unlock a new animal. So what that means, right, and this is my favorite word ever to use for an app like this, it's called diminishing returns, ladies and gentlemen. What that means is that you're going to actually end up losing more than you're going to end up winning on this app. And I know what you're saying, Vince, you're not paying any money though. How is this app a scam, or how does this actually affect anyone? Well, as I said earlier, you're spending your time. Guys, what's the most precious currency in the world? Time. Your time is more important than any money these apps can give out to you, which they won't even do it. If this app was actually paying people $200 a shot, I would understand why people dedicate literal months to this game. But that's not the case. You're not getting money. You're not getting paid, bro. You're not getting your iPhones. You're not getting your sneakers. You're not getting a Versace watch or a Gucci bag or an iPhone 11 Pro. I mean, what planet do these developers think that we're on, honestly? All they're doing is shoving ads down our throats to make sure people download these apps and watch advertisements, okay? I've been avoiding ads on this app as much as I possibly can right now. I haven't clicked on any of the stupid pop-ups that keep appearing, these balloons falling down the screen. I'm trying to be smart about it, everyone, okay? Gotta be careful here. I'm not gonna... Look, see how it says get? It always says get. I'm not getting it. I don't care about your puzzle pieces. That's another big scam here, okay? I got 88 cents then. That's another big scam with this app, okay? It makes it so the real-life items only get unlocked when you have a certain number of puzzle pieces. Look at this here. You need 10 of the iPhone 11 Pros, 10 of the Gucci bags, 10 of the Versace watch. Do you know what I mean, everyone? 20 of the Nike Air Jordan 1s. I don't know what to do. I mean, what do you do? How can I explain this more clearer? If you ever have a curiosity about an app, go to the 1-star reviews, because what you're going to end up reading are real-life people that have been scammed by these money apps, okay? Sure, you might see some dumb reviews where people are obviously just taking the absolute you-know-what, you know what I mean? But there are genuine reviews in there. I'm telling you now, read very carefully, and you'll see people saying, I just played to literally up to $149, and then the game won't let me get to $150, so I can't cash out. Do you know what I mean? And they literally say I was a loyal fan of the app. Dude, it's incredible. I'll never get over the fact that apps like this exist. I'll never do it, everyone. It's been a hell of a year for me. I was not expecting 2020 to end up with me turning out to be some sort of scam app reviewer. It wasn't on my agenda. But yeah, here we are. It's a sad time. It definitely is a sad time. Have you noticed I haven't watched one ad though? So I've been very good at skipping the ads so far. So yeah, gotta give me credit for that one. But yeah, it's just a Puppy Town clone. That's it. It's back, dude. Puppy Town is coming back in force. This is now the third app with the same concept, everyone. We got problems here. 69 cents. Yeah, we got problems. 68 cents. It's incredible. There's a raffle system as well here for a MacBook Pro 13-inch. Apparently giving one away every day. You are joking me. Dude, I can't handle it. I can't handle it, everyone. These apps are pathetic. Guys, stay safe out there. Don't get scammed. If you're going to play Cutie Garden, play it for the game itself. Don't expect to win real life money. It's as simple as that. I will catch you all in my next video tomorrow, everyone. Stay safe out there. Please remember to hit like and subscribe. See you next time.